So when you turn it, they keep going down to the ground, correct?
Yeah, so like the metal dog spikes you get that you screw down in the ground. The same way, same principle.
Do they have like an electrical too that we can turn?
Yeah, they got a big old machine that it usually takes 1 or 2 people to hold. Screw them down in the ground for you.
Oh, I see.
Now it's down ground level again.
Oh, is it low enough now?
Yep. Just got the head turning back with the rod on the back side. You want the open part of the head into the house. Because it's got 2 holes. Some counties require the hurricane strap to go over the house.
Oh, I see.
It goes back in that back hole most times.
I hope it's only one like that.
Yep.
Huh?
This county don't require the hurricane strap, so we're just gonna shove it back together here. Okay.
So is it that's the only one sticking on the ground like that?
It's the only one I've seen sticking above ground. Now the broke strap's on the front side under the porch.
Oh, you found it too?
Yeah.
Is it only one?
Only one I see.
Okay.
He was just being picky today, I guess.
You need a hammer?
I got it.
So there's another screw on the other side so we can tie them all up, right?
One nut. It's got a square head on the inside of it. So when you ratchet it down.
Oh, I see. Oh, so when you turn, it lock it, right?
Yep. And roll that thing up like a Spam can. Like trying to open old can of Spam something.
Are they just being picky or what?
Yep.
Huh?
He was just being picky that day.
But the part of the ton is not picky, correct?
No, I guess that determines the finance company or the insurance company, whoever it is. They say when you remove the tongue and the axles, it makes it a modular home instead of a trailer. So it's the only thing different.
I think we also need to put some dirt on this side, right? To make it look like all covered up before I took the pictures.
That's fine. One more time.
What is the tool you say to nail them to the ground? What is that called?
What the screw is called an auger machine.
Auger machine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it looks pretty good now. It's all tied to the ground, right?
Yep.